You're watching WFO Cycle on YouTube. Videos from Shane's World, from fishing adventures to venison processing to dirt bikes. Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of his latest content.
This is the biggest one of the day right here. Yeah, that's a big fish. That's what I hooked earlier. This is a master angler rod bass. Actually, I think this is a smallmouth. And this might very well, here's the camera. They recorded it on.
Yep.
This is a beast of a fish right here. This is a hog. This is a 20-inch smallmouth here. Look at that dog.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
He's a beast.
Absolute hulk of a fish. Just a pig.
Look at him, I know.
4 pound test.
That's awesome. Are you fighting you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He's not going crazy. But he's owning me. Pretty much doing whatever he wants to do.
Yeah, he's been out there already.
Would that be a 21-inch fish? I don't think it is, but I think it's about 19 and a half.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah. He's a feisty little beast.
Look at
Oh,
that
look
fish.
at him.
Look at
That's awesome. That is awesome.
Look at the mouth. Look at that thing. Look at that. That's got to be